Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's hottest products. Today, we're diving into the world of eyelash glam with a focus on the Veleasha False Lashes Fluffy Faux Mink 20 Pairs Pack, featuring styles 6d23 and V07. These lashes have been making waves in the beauty community for their exceptional quality and unbeatable value. Let's uncover what makes them a must-have in your makeup kit. Starting with the 6d23 style, these lashes are designed to give your eyes that extra wow factor with their fluffy, multi-layered texture. Whether you're going for a natural look or full-on glam, these lashes deliver. Crafted from premium synthetic fibers, they're not only cruelty-free but also lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Perfect for those who love to stand out without compromising on ethical standards. Now, onto the V07 style. If you prefer a softer, more natural look that still packs a punch, these lashes are your go-to. Their wispy design mimics the natural lash line, providing a 3D effect that enhances your eyes effortlessly. Applying them is a breeze. Simply use tweezers to gently place them along your lash line and voila! Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out, these lashes are beginner-friendly and reusable with proper care. Speaking of reviews, customers love how these lashes elevate their look without breaking the bank. But hey, don't just take my word for it, check out what others are saying. That wraps up our review of the Veleasha False Lashes 20 Pairs Pack. If you're ready to enhance your eye game and snag the best value in lashes, click the link in the description below to get yours today. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.